Hello everyone, today we are discussing the section planner feature in the wall load section of the Trenton Refrigeration Load Calculator tool located in the Trenton Refrigeration Design Tools package, which can be downloaded from the Trenton Refrigeration website. This aspect of design tools allows one to fine-tune the wall sections of boxes with varying shape, thickness, and height. To keep it simple, we're going to illustrate how to properly calculate a wall section exposed to varying external temperatures. So for example, let's assume a 10 by 50 foot wall might be adjacent to 85, 55, and a -10 room. In order to accurately account for the true load, we must know the wall dimensions for each of these temperatures. So what we're going to do is we're going to assume that 25 feet is at 85 degrees, 10 feet is at 55 degrees, and 15 feet is at -10, all in this one wall load section. So I've got the load calculator queued up here, and we're going to click on wall load, go to change type, and let's go to section list. So again, what we need to do is divide that 50-foot wall up into three sections: 25 feet at 85 degrees, 10 feet at 55 degrees, and 15 feet at -10. So we're going to add a section here. We'll start with the 25-foot section at 10 feet tall, and we're going to change the exterior temperature is currently defaulting to 85 degrees, so we'll leave that alone and hit OK. And you can see now that one section of the 50-foot wall at 85 degrees is accounted for, and its load is 438 BTUs per hour. So we will add another custom section here, and that's going to be the 10-foot section at 55 degrees, 10 by 10. We're going to go down here and change this to 55 degrees and hit OK, and you'll see that 10-foot section now accounts for 70 BTUH in terms of wall load. And lastly, we need to account for the 15-foot section at -10. So we're going to click on 15, click on width, put input 15, height will be 10, and then go down here and type in -10 degrees on the exterior temperature and hit OK. Now you'll notice we get a credit here because it's -236 BTUs per hour, because at -10 I'm 45 degrees lower in temperature than the current 35-degree box we're working on. So from this point on, we would simply go through all the different sections of the box to account for their dimensions, their wall thicknesses, and so forth. And one thing I didn't show, and which I'll do now, that we've gone over in previous tutorials, I can change my wall thickness or my material types here, just like we've done in previous tutorials, in the event that you do have a box with varying wall thicknesses or wall material types. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Trenton Refrigeration sales engineer. Thank you and have a great day.